Here's how to download and play Standoff 2 on your PC or laptop using BlueStacks. Standoff 2 is a mobile FPS game, so you need an Android emulator to run it on a computer. BlueStacks works well for Standoff 2, and its key mapping tools make the FPS controls feel natural on a keyboard and mouse. Open your browser, go to bluestacks.com and click Download. Run the installer, agree to the terms, and click Install. Wait for BlueStacks to set up fully and launch. Once inside, open the Google Play Store. Sign in with your Google account and search for Standoff 2. Select the correct result and click Install from Google Play. Once installed, launch the game from your BlueStacks home screen and log in with your existing account to keep your progress, skins, and stats. Before playing, go into the BlueStacks key mapping editor and configure your mouse for aiming and WASD for movement. Standoff 2 is a fast-paced shooter, and getting your key layout right before jumping into a match makes a significant difference. Most players who try it for the first time without configuring controls first find it frustrating compared to mobile. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.